Assuming you are in a quiz and then you are given additions and subtractions of fractions and you don't know how to go as quick as possible, that's what I made this video for, to show you how fast you can solve questions as such as this, so that you don't have to waste any much time. Having problems with solving addition and subtraction of fractions as fast as possible? Then I guess you're in the right video, so stay tuned to the end. Now, first of all, before I begin with teaching you the trick on how to solve addition and subtractions of fractions quickly, there is one thing you need to know about fraction. Fractions are sets of numbers that consist of denominators and numerators. Now, let's move on to the trick. But before we move on to the trick, please join me to say just this short prayer. My mind is where I am. When I study, I must remember and understand. So help me God. Now, let's begin the little trick over here. For instance, when you are given a fraction like 6/7 plus 3/7, a kind of fraction of such, our answer is 9/7. You don't have to stress yourself. You might ask me, how did I get that? But I'm going to be showing you right now in this video. Now let's move over to another question. A case whereby you are given 15/3 plus 2/3. Our answer is surely 17/3. Now at this point, you can still change your answer to become a mixed fraction, but that's not where we are driving at in today's video. Now another question like 6/6 plus 2/6. Our answer is 8/6. Now I want to explain to you how I'm quickly getting this answer. It's just very easy. Now a case whereby this kind of fractions are given to you, all you just have to do is pick one of the numbers below. Now you might be asking yourself, what kind of fractions am I talking about? Now these fractions that I've been calling for you are liked fractions. If you take note very well, all the fractions that I called for you, their denominators were exactly the same thing. For the first one, it was over 7, the next one was over 2, and the next one was over 6. So everything happens to be exactly the same thing. Now there's one thing you need to understand over here. When a kind of fraction like this is given to you, all you have to do is just pick one of the denominators below and place it as your LCM. Now the next thing that you do is make sure that the numbers above should either be added or subtracted depending on the sign that has been given to you. Now a case whereby you are given 15/6 minus 3/6. So what do? You minus the 3 from the 15, which will surely give us. Then you pick one of the numbers below that will make us our LCM and place it at the next place, which will surely give us over 6. So that's our answer, as easy as that. So but meanwhile, I'm putting you to a test right now. If you think that you're fast enough, try to answer these questions as fast as possible. Let me see if you can answer these mind-blowing questions in less than 10 seconds. Video popping up right now on your screen. It's a maths challenge. Hope to see you there.